How to turn camera flash on or off on iPhone. Here's how to change the flash settings for both photos and videos. Start by opening the camera app on your iPhone. If you're using a newer iPhone, tap the up arrow at the top of the screen, or simply swipe up on the camera viewfinder to reveal additional camera controls. From the menu that appears, tap the flash icon, which looks like a lightning bolt. You'll see three options: auto, on, and off. Select Auto if you want your iPhone to decide when the flash is needed based on the lighting. Choose On to keep the flash enabled for every photo, or select Off to disable it completely. You can also use the flash while recording videos. Simply switch to video mode, open the camera controls the same way, tap the flash icon, and choose On, Off, or Auto, depending on the options available on your iPhone and iOS version. If you don't see the controls in the same place, don't worry. The camera app layout can vary slightly depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, but the flash settings are available from the camera app. And that's it. You now know how to quickly turn the camera flash on or off whenever you're taking photos or recording videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and camera tutorials.